question is, what do you do to maintain the point consciousness state? The answer is a very short answer, and that is nothing. You don't want to do anything. If you do something, you're going to mess up the point consciousness state. What you want to do is just exist there, just experience it. Don't do anything. You get there, you're doing your meditation. By then, you probably will have let go of the mantra. You'll let go of the breath. You know, you'll just exist. You won't be doing anything. Once you get to that state, you just exist. Experience yourself as consciousness. Do nothing. And hold that for a half an hour if you can. Try to keep it in a stable state. Now, at first, it may be for a few minutes, and you just keep practicing. It'll get longer and longer, and you'll be able to hold that. But now, once you are able to hold that for a reasonable amount of time, then the next thing to do is to decide what you do want to do with it. Now, it's not actually modifying the state, but when you're just point consciousness, you can use your intent to direct your activities. Directing your activities is different than trying to judge them or analyze them. It's okay to direct your activities. So at that point, if you want to heal someone, then you can do the kind of healing exercises that we talk about. You can visualize their health energy body, then you can visualize what's wrong with it as black, what's good about it is white, and then you can use your mind to get rid of the black stuff and heal them. That's something you can do while you're floating in that void. Okay? So there's a difference, a very important difference between directing your intent, which is fine, and analyzing and judging what's going on in your situation. That's your ego. So if you get your ego involved in it, then game's over. You're not going to be in that state for very long. You'll come right out of it. So you want to let the ego go and just direct your intent on something. But you should have figured out ahead of time what that something was. Because otherwise you'll start doing analysis and doing judging in order to come up with what the something is that you should be working on, and that will get in your way. So have that figured out ahead of time. Then just go do it. Another thing you might want to do is remote view. Have a target in mind. I want to go to a particular place. If you do that, pick a target that's evidential. Some place that you can then find out whether what you saw was what was there. If it's to visit somebody in their home, then call them up immediately after and see what were you just doing. If it's some place that you've never been, like a state park or some other public place, then you can go to that place and see if that's what it was that you saw. So it's that sort of thing. Make sure it's evidential. So you can do any of these kinds of things that you want to when you're in that state, and if you stay in that point consciousness state while you do it, your effectiveness will be much, much greater because you will not be using any ego. The ego will be eliminated because you won't be doing any judging, any analysis about it at all.